The importance of fitting locally manufactured quality parts is critical for a motorist, in the fact that if you ever have any problems with the vehicle parts, especially life and limb type parts like brakes, that type of thing could be very costly and certainly could cost lives. And the local manufacturers, as parts of Partinform, are here to back up their products and give you the guarantees and the sureties that you need, particularly in light of the Consumer Protection Act, where a lot of cheap parts or bad quality parts that are fitted can come back to bite you as a business person. And the manufacturers that support the parts in South Africa, locally built, are here to back up their warranties and certainly assist you if there's ever an opportunity for your customer to claim against you for negligence or poor parts that may have been fitted.
UCO as a company have always aligned ourselves with manufacturers that have OE associations, primarily for the reasons of specification and at the same time consistent quality. The quality of all the products that we supply ensures the reliability and the safety of the motorist. The most important factor is all of our suppliers ensure that we get the backup on any product. Any new developments we are advised of immediately, and by doing that we are increasing our range on a regular basis.
Bosch is one of the world's largest automotive component suppliers, and we have been in the field for the last 125 years or more. And yes, once the vehicle is off on the roads, it belongs to the automotive aftermarket, and by fitting genuine Bosch components, the vehicle owner is assured that his vehicle remains fit as good as he got it from the OEM. Yes, it is important that a qualified automotive technician who is trained and has the right tools, that he fits certain critical parts, for example timing belt kits, brake pads, injector heads, as this will have consequential damages on the engine if not fitted by a trained technician. It is important to use the right diagnostic tool to diagnose the root cause of the problem in a vehicle. And if this is not done, obviously the root cause is not identified and the technician can end up diagnosing the vehicle wrongly.
For more than 100 years, the SKF brand has stood for quality. And when you buy SKF, you know that you're going to get the consistency in all of our products and the support in which we provide to our customers, so that you're always getting the best. When you're putting bearings or similar products on your car, you want to make sure that you're going to have something that's 100% safe, so that your family is always safe and secure. That's not something you want to compromise. We get certified by original equipment manufacturers for the quality of our products and the availability. And we invest a lot of time and resource to make sure that that is consistent. If you're buying cheaper products, the only way that cheaper price can be achieved is by compromising on quality, and that in itself poses a risk. With SKF, you can be assured all the time that it's 100% reliable.
The Willard Batteries brand has been around since the 50s and has become one of South Africa's premier battery brands. The world-class batteries that today come from the Willard Batteries production line in Port Elizabeth are testimony to local expertise and innovation combined with massive local investment. Willard Batteries has been involved in the recycling of scrap batteries for many years and has been making a significant contribution to the greening of South Africa. Its Go Green, Go Willard campaign, in which motorists are encouraged to bring old batteries to Willard outlets for recycling, has been a resounding success and has helped to make South Africa cleaner and its citizens healthier. A portion of the proceeds of the recycling operation is donated to Food and Trees for Africa, a local award-winning non-profit organisation tasked with the planting of trees in areas it has identified as being in need.
Schaeffler SA is a wholly owned subsidiary of the German-based Schaeffler Group, comprising the three brands Look, Ina and FAG. All aftermarket replacement parts distributed by the Schaeffler Group are manufactured to the same high quality standards as the original equipment. All product leaving any of the Scheffler plants have been individually checked for quality and function. All our products are backed by a comprehensive warranty, experienced area managers covering the whole country, and a toll-free technical helpline for peace of mind, fitment and operation. Fit quality, fit the Scheffler range of products.
First National Battery is a division of Mete Limited. We manufacture our batteries locally in East London. Everything from the recycling of the batteries right through to the build, right through to the finishing and the distribution is all done locally. And we're a quality approved manufacturer by all the local original equipment manufacturers, which certainly gives our customers peace of mind that they're buying a quality part that's originally equipment specified. And we are nationally based, and our distribution network covers the entire country and certain parts of Africa. So in terms of backup and problems and warranties, we're here to back our product up, but it's very important, especially in the cold weather that we're having now, where if your battery fails, you can rely on us to have a distributor close to you to be able to back that warranty and that product up. Also very important that you fit local products, because in the light of the Consumer Protection Act, you need a company that will back you up in terms of any claims that may come your way in terms of that Consumer Protection Act.
RAM stands for Rubber and Associated Manufacturers. It was a company that was started in 1981. The company went for about 10 years when Goodyear chose them as their exclusive distributor of rubber manufactured products. They manufacture fan belts, timing belts, poly Vs, air springs, as well as a variety of radiator hoses. RAM supplies to the OE market as well as the automotive replacement market. We generally distribute through Midas, AutoZone, Dieselmark, and some of the bigger automotive wholesalers. We've got a very impressive record of only having 0.01% return of every 2.8 million products that are shipped out. We're a very proudly South African company, although we are part of the Carlyle Group, which is a global company. Most of our products are manufactured locally in our Uitenhage facility, as well as our radiator hoses, which are manufactured by a company in Pretoria. People should use RAM products. They're made to the highest quality of any products available. They're made to OE specifications, so they're as good as the belt that you would first put on your car or whatever product it is that you buy from us. They will meet any OE specification, so if a vehicle has to last, if the time belt has to last for 3 or 5 years or 120,000 Ks, our part is just as good as that part that you're putting on.
GUD is a privately owned South African company, and we're the leaders in the automotive filter aftermarket. GUD produces 1,400 part numbers, which covers 92% of the car park in the South African market. We manufacture filters to the highest standards, OE specification filters. We meet or exceed OE specifications on our manufacturing of our filters. We make a very efficient filter with a sufficient lifespan, because there's a balance between the life of a filter and the efficiency of it. And we make a filter to that optimum with efficiency and life to it.
ZF Services is the service specialist of ZF, one of the world's leading suppliers of driveline and chassis technology. ZF develops innovative and high-quality components for original equipment and the spare parts market for cars, commercial vehicles and buses, and other automotive and non-automotive areas. ZF Services makes ongoing use of the system expertise of ZF in the after-sales area, and combines the global offering of the group in retail, services and customer service. With a comprehensive network, ZF Services is always available locally, with 4,200 employees at 77 locations in 39 countries and with over 650 service partners worldwide. ZF Services offers the entire spectrum of after-sales services from a single source, from the supply of spare parts and technical service to advice and training. With a strong team of employees and a sophisticated logistics system, ZF Services completes each service order professionally, reliably, and on time. The high-tech warehouses in Bremen and Schweinfurt are the central points of effective logistics. More than 1.3 million items are dispatched from here each year with the established product brands Sachs, Lehmfutterer, Boge and ZF Parts to customers all over the world. ZF Services not only ensures quick supply of spare parts, but also offers comprehensive services connected with the repair of transmissions for cars and commercial vehicles. At more than 650 service centers worldwide, fixed-price repairs, preventive overhaul, retrofitting and environment-friendly remanufacturing are performed quickly and professionally. The transmissions supplied are carefully examined during the repair work. With view to efficiency, it is decided what time and effort is appropriate for each transmission. After the transmission is disassembled into its individual components and cleaned, and after damaged parts have been replaced with new components, reassembly commences. Only after several functional tests, both mobile simulation with the ZF professional testing tools, as well as stationary simulation on the test bench, which creates the real load, is the transmission once again roadworthy. Intelligent diagnosis systems, such as the professional ZF tester Testman Pro for preventive maintenance, and also individual service agreements for fleet operators, complement the offer from ZF Services, as well as customized training offers on all ZF products. From practical product and sales-oriented further training to individually coordinated driver training. Years of transmission know-how, a comprehensive range of spare parts and attractive services assist ZF Services in the efficiency and economy of cars and commercial vehicles over the entire life cycle. True to our aspiration, ZF Services, for a world in motion.